Very good. Amazing. Just look at this. Of course, how will you look because you can't see me? Now you can. देखा मतलब ये जिम में मुझे पहले आना पड़ता है. My trainer doesn't come here. My guru Neelam doesn't come here. I have to come and open this gate. Absolutely. Just सुबह के 4 बजे हैं यार. I am so dedicated. I come here first.
Hello, I'm already waiting for you.
Oh, that's Neelam, my trainer, my guru. Hi. Guys, this is the one, Neelam Motwani, who trains me in Pilates. So, I think you guys get ready because we are going to show you what Pilates is all about. What do you say?
That's right.
Let's get ready, buddies. Miss Neelam, please have a seat. आसन ग्रहण कीजिए. हमारे गुरुजी हैं ये. Yes, please. और हम आपके शिष्य. बताइए इन लोगों को कि पिलाटेस क्या होती है.
Okay, Pilates is an exercise system which was developed by Joseph Pilates. This was developed during World War I, where he used to train his fellow detainees who were injured during the war. And he used to attach all the springs on the beds of the patients and train them. So this exercise system is basically to strengthen your core muscle.
In fact, I just want to add on this कि लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि Pilates is meant for girls. Am I right?
Right.
ये एक notion है जो कि मैं break करना चाहता हूँ because Pilates is actually the guy who invented Pilates is Joseph Pilates. Joseph मतलब लड़का, Pilates मतलब लड़का. Okay. Since the past 2 months, I've been feeling very unfit in terms of जिस industry में हम लोग हैं. Body is the most. It's like a temple for you. It's your showcase to the world. So it's very important कि आप अपने आप को कैसे तैयार करें, अपने आप को कैसे पोर्ट्रे करें. Why I chose Pilates and functional training. ये दोनों का combination मतलब मेरे पूरे fat को, मेरे पूरे body को will just cut me down and get me to the way I want to see myself. Chiseled, strong, lean, sexy. This is the way it's to be.
The best part of Karanveer is that he's most self-motivated client I've been training. So he's more than a client, he's more than a friend now. The best part as a trainer, when I train him, is like every day is a different challenge for us. So we keep adding on new variations in every session. The best part now, our aim is that Karanveer is going to make a rage that Pilates is done by men as well. So it's actually it was said by Joseph Pilates that real men do Pilates. So I want to change that notion where it is always understood that Pilates is done by females, but that's not the truth.
No, I think the case is because it's a reformer or late ke karte hain na, so people feel, oh, there's so much of fun. And you know, guys, they need that adrenaline, they need the rush. Come on, give me those weights, yeah! You know, इतना चिल्लम चिल्ली यहाँ पे नहीं होती. Actually,
it's a relatively low impact exercise, but it's very effective.
Yeah. Alright guys, I've just finished my workout. Really effective, really amazing. Neelam, now we gotta get back home. So you guys watch Follow Inch by Inch only on
MTune.
MTune. Man, she gets that wrong all the time. On MTune.
On MTune.